We're at a electrical vehicle battery fill-up station. These are popping up all over North America, Europe. It's all part of the Great Reset. Part of it is electrical vehicles are just ramping up. I think Tesla almost reached 1 million sales in electrical vehicles, which is, you could argue, is a good thing for the environment, but this is all connected into the Great Reset and ties into 5G, self-automation cars, self-automation electric vehicles. So this is all what's coming, and you're going to see these in your communities, like the 5G deployment, the small little antennas. These sites here are going to be popping up everywhere, and they're going to be pushing people to get an electric vehicle. Self-automation as well. They're going to be self-driving. But this is what's coming. Just be aware of your environment. It's all connected to UN Agenda 2030, 21. You have no say in this. You have no say. This is a globalist top-down agenda. Test out the EMFs in a Tesla vehicle. Great idea, Amanda. We're going to have to do that. I imagine the Tesla plant, it's all automation, AI machines. I imagine the radiation would be pretty bad in there. But this is reality of what's coming. Just be aware of your environment. Share it with us. NCA, we're going to document it as it goes along. That's all we can do right now. But I didn't see this thing here. I think that this thing popped up in the last few weeks here. But I know they're pushing them everywhere, especially with President Biden. He's pushing a $2 trillion so-called green energy agenda. So this is what's coming. You're going to see this in your community. This is one of the more benign aspects of it when we get into the AI technocracy, the AI machines, AI drones, and all that stuff. We're going to lose a lot of jobs. We're going to head further into a surveillance state, facial recognition, everything, everyone, depopulation, you name it. It is unreal, but it is reality on the ground.